The door to your home is more than just an entryway. It serves as a barrier, a style statement, and a critical component of your household's safety. Whether you are building a new house in Sanford or upgrading your current entryways, getting the door installation process right is crucial. This article delves into why proper residential door installation matters and how it impacts the safety, energy efficiency, curb appeal, and overall value of your Sanford home. Enhanced security for your home and loved ones. Properly installed doors provide robust security for your home. A well-fitted door with quality locks can deter potential intruders and keep your loved ones safe. An ill-fitting door, however, creates gaps and vulnerabilities that can be easily exploited. In Sanford, where residents value their safety, investing in a professional door installation means greater peace of mind. Trained installers will ensure your door frame, hinges, and locks are correctly aligned and reinforced, preventing forced entry attempts and maximizing your home's security. Improving energy efficiency and comfort. Sanford's climate can be quite variable, with warm, humid summers and occasional chilly spells in the winter. Properly installed doors help regulate indoor temperatures by preventing air leaks, maintaining a comfortable indoor climate throughout the year. Poorly installed doors often leave gaps and cracks that let in drafts, increasing your reliance on heating and cooling systems. This inefficiency leads to higher energy bills and a less eco-friendly home. A professional door installation ensures a perfect fit, reducing energy consumption and making your home greener and more cost-effective. Boosting your home's curb appeal. The first thing visitors notice about your home is its exterior, and the front door plays a significant role in creating that all-important first impression. Proper residential door installation enhances the aesthetics and curb appeal of your Sanford home. Whether you prefer a classic wooden door, a sleek modern design, or a robust steel entryway, a perfectly installed door complements your home's architecture and reflects your personal style. Conversely, a poorly installed door with misaligned hinges or an uneven fit detracts from the home's overall beauty and gives off a neglected vibe. Protecting against Sanford's elements. Sanford is no stranger to the challenges posed by weather, such as heavy rain, humidity, and even hurricanes. Proper door installation is crucial to protecting your home against these elements. Professional installers will ensure the door is properly sealed and weather-stripped, preventing water from seeping in during heavy rainfall and reducing the risk of rot, mold, and water damage. By choosing materials suited to Sanford's climate and opting for expert installation, you extend the life of your door and keep your home's interior dry and safe. Noise reduction. For a peaceful home living in a bustling Sanford neighborhood can mean dealing with street noise, neighbors, and other disturbances. A properly installed door can significantly reduce external noise, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. Quality installation ensures a tight seal around the door, minimizing sound penetration. This added comfort makes a world of difference, especially if you work from home, have young children, or simply value your peace and quiet. Increasing the value of your home. Proper residential door installation is an investment that pays off in terms of your home's resale value. A professionally installed, high-quality door signals to potential buyers that your home is well-maintained, safe, and energy efficient. This added value can lead to better offers and a faster sale if you ever decide to put your Sanford property on the market. Buyers are more likely to be impressed by a home that looks great, feels secure, and promises lower utility bills thanks to good energy efficiency. Ensuring long-term durability. When doors are installed correctly, they are more durable and require less frequent repairs. Proper alignment and fitting reduce wear and tear on the door's hardware, such as hinges and locks. This longevity translates into fewer headaches and lower maintenance costs over time. By entrusting door installation to skilled professionals in Sanford, you ensure that your door continues to function optimally, preserving its appearance and operational integrity for years to come. Conclusion. Proper residential door installation in Sanford matters because it enhances your home's security, energy efficiency, curb appeal, durability, and overall value. Hiring professional installers ensures that your door performs as it should, protecting your family, reducing energy costs, and providing a visually pleasing entrance to your home. Whether you're installing a new door or upgrading an old one, make sure the job is done right to enjoy these benefits for years to come.